Welcome to Storyland.
Polly the penguin loved sliding on ice. She zipped and she zoomed. Oh, wasn't it nice? She splashed in the water. She giggled with glee. But Polly forgot to say please and thank you sometimes, you see. One morning she shouted, "I'm sliding, make way." But Pippin the puffin said, "That's not okay. You need magic words. They're tiny but bright. Try saying please. It makes things feel right." So Polly said sweetly, "May I slide first, please?" Pippin said, "Sure," with a smile and a sneeze. Polly zoomed down and splashed with a cheer. "Thank you, dear Pippin." She felt warm and clear. At lunch, Polly spotted a fish sandwich treat. "Give me a bite," she said, stomping her feet. Penny the penguin frowned with a sigh. "Polly, remember a polite penguin asks why. May I please have a nibble?" Polly did say, "Of course." Penny smiled. "Now that's the nice way." Polly took a small bite, and her heart gave a thump. "Thank you so much." Then she gave a big jump. Later she bumped into Walrus so wide. "Ouch. Watch where you're going." Poor Polly cried. But Walrus looked hurt with a tear in his eye. Polly felt sorry and whispered, "Oh my." "I'm so very sorry," Polly said with a bow. "That's polite," said Walrus. "You're learning it now." She picked up Seal's toy that had rolled far away. "Here's your toy, little Seal. Have a wonderful day." "Thank you," said Seal with a giggly squeak. "You're welcome," said Polly, tapping her beak. Polly held doors and she waited her turn. She shared all her fish and began to learn. Polite words are magic. They spread happy light. Please, thank you, sorry, they make hearts feel right. Now everyone loved being near Polly's cheer. Even Grumpy Bear smiled from ear to ear. "Polly's so kind," all her friends liked to say. "She sprinkles polite words all over the bay." Polly flapped her wings and made this new vow. "Sparkles, I'll use magic words every day from now."
See you next week.